Alright, I am happy enough with where the truck is at. I decided I'm going to go take it out for a little test run before we do a big group trip. So I snagged a spot for tonight for one of the local state campgrounds. And we're going to take it for a little trial run. See what things I forgot to do on the truck camper, what things still need to be done, or if I'm just happy with it and I'm going to live with it. So we're going to start heading out here and get set up. Hello. Yes.
Yep, it's $7.
Okay.
There you go.
All right. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Morning. How's it going?
Quite well. How are you?
Good.
This is going to be straight back. Follow the post signs around your campsite. Is just to the left side of that. The blue one goes on the post tag.
All right.
The pink one goes on your rearview mirror. We'll see you. Have fun.
All right. Thank you. All right, we are here. I'm gonna get a couple stuff unloaded, get some water, and just be hanging out. Well, I thought I might have some friends coming with me out here, but it kind of sounds like no one's going to make it, so it's probably just going to be me hanging out, which is perfectly fine. I'm just going to end up doing probably a lot of trail walking and hanging out at the nature center. It's a perfect day for it. It sounds like we might get some rain overnight. Visitor. It's not very far away. Maybe only, I don't know, 10, 12 feet or so. Looks like he's just digging around in the birdseed, see what he can find. I don't know what's in that tree stump. If it's water or bird seeds. That's so funny, I was just sitting here, and off from the right side, like, I don't know, over here maybe, he just came sauntering into view. He stopped at that little pond. And then you went for the tree stump. Bye. Off into the woods. So while I was on a bit of a walk, I went by the nature center, and they had, it's called like a little library, little free library. I can't remember the name of it now. Grab something random out of there. We're gonna see if it's any good, and we're just gonna hang out and do some reading as the day winds down. Alright, first night in the camper. Here we go. We've got all the curtains drawn and just one of the windows open. But yeah, it's about time for bed. I'm gonna shut the lights off. And call it a night. Good night. So I don't know how well this camera does in low light, but it seems like we're gonna get a little bit of a light show tonight. And I'm hoping it can capture some of it. There's a thunderstorm rolling in, and there's just heavy cloud coverage all the way around. So occasionally there's a bolt of lightning that will just light up the whole sky. And I'm hoping I can catch one here. So I'm just gonna let the camera run for a minute, see if we can pick this up. Well, made it through the night without any major problems. I learned a couple things. One, airflow is important. There's a lot of condensation on the windows this morning, but other than that, it stayed warm and it was reasonably comfortable for being the back of a truck. So, gets a thumbs up from me. Well, I'm going to call the trip over and a success. I'm going to stop by the bathroom real quick, drop off the trash, drop off the book, and make my way home. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy with how the camper worked out. Honestly, the only thing I'd change is bring blankets that aren't so hot and bring a couple extra battery-powered fans to improve ventilation. Other than that, sure was a lot nicer than setting up and tearing down a tent. So that's what I'm thinking.